So, how been ya? Welcome to the Black Country Craftsman's YouTube channel. If you enjoy our content, please subscribe. Smash us a like. Your support is much appreciated. So let's crack on with the rest of the video. Okay then, let's review this B&Q Kitchen that I've just installed. Overall, I'm quite impressed with the quality. This wasn't quite the budget range regarding the doors. I think it was the next one up. There are a selection of shaker doors. So it really has come out quite well. First part, I'd like to talk about the base units and the wall units. Now these come as a flat pack, so you've got to put them together yourself. So what I did with these, I glued them and screwed them from the side. As you can see, you've got these side panels to hide any screws or anything that you do put in. Across the top, you've got like a metal plate that fits across the top. Can become awkward regarding when you've got a sink to be fitted. Lucky enough, the sink that I fitted with this one is the ones where they got prongs in, where literally the prongs dig into the side of the worktop and they just fit inside, so you haven't got any of the brackets that overhang. So that can be a little bit of a pain if you've got that. Now the backs are a typical unit, where they're not particularly thick, if I'm honest. So yeah, I'd strongly recommend that when you're putting these units together from the B&Q, you do actually glue them and screw them, just to make them a lot stronger and longevity, so they last as long as possible. Right, we have the oven and the hob that come as a pack, and decently priced. I think it was about $2.99. Again, typical oven. I think that makes a B&Q. So yeah, for the price, again, pretty good. Along with a stainless steel splashback. Now the Extractor. I've never come across one of these before fitting this one. Quite a clever idea really. Rather than traditionally when you have an Extractor hidden all under there, you've actually got a little bit of storage, not much. Now this unit actually come down to about there, so you did have to cut that off and kind of design it, because it didn't come as that little unit, so there was a little bit of work involved in fitting this one. But yeah, well worth it. Extractor comes out, lights up, and then when you're done, just push it back in. Quite a good little idea. As I said, the doors, again, not quite the budget range, just the next one up. The shaker door, fairly decent. I kind of went with a darker handle on this one. Cornice and pelmet, again, just your normal box standard MDF based with a wrap over. And finally we come to the worktops. Now the worktops are a 40mm worktop. Again, not quite the budget range, just slightly higher. And the upstands to match. Again, routed out nice finish. Cut out well, again for the hob and the sink. Yes, quite good. Now, over to the hinges. Now, the hinges have got a quick release system there, which is just that clip there, which releases quite easily and clips quite in nicely. Also as well, you've got these built-in soft closers. So instead of the soft closers being attached to the hinge there or on the side, much better when they're on the hinges, and as you can see, close quite nicely. Now, the end panels. Again, just a box standard end panel. What I do like about the B&Q ones is they have like a rounded edge panel for the very end. So there's one there, and there's one over this side. I think it finishes it off quite nicely. Now to the drawer system. Again, your drawers fixed on the bracket or the hinge underneath. If you take that off, you will be able to unclip them if you need to, and these act on a self-closer basis. So again, fairly decent. So overall, for the money, the B&Q Kitchens are pretty good. If you'd like more information and a little bit more of a guide on how to fit these kitchens, please check out my on my playlist. I've got a house renovation playlist. Please feel free to check that out and leave any comments. If I can help you in any way, I will do.
Okay, if you've enjoyed this video, smash us a like, drop us a comment, and if we can help you, we will. And please subscribe to give us a little support. Also, please check out our other videos, as we've got quite a few out now. You may find something that might just help you out in the future. I'm the Black Country Craftsman. Don't forget to tell your muckers. Learning how to fix these problems yourself is cheaper than paying someone else to do it for you. Thanks for watching.